This video will cover the replacement of taillights and bulbs on a 1982 Volvo 240 wagon. This can be completed over a coffee break. On the driver's side, turn the plastic tabs 90 degrees, remove the cover and spare wheel. On the passenger side, remove the lower compartment cover. Then twist the plastic tab on the upper cover 90 degrees and gently pull, unseating the first few plastic clips. Unseat the taillight assembly by removing the top and bottom nuts from the posts. Gently pull your assembly from the car body. Unseat the bulb holders from the assembly by twisting and pulling, and disconnect the wires and remove the gasket. Open and inspect your new taillights. If desired, replace with new lights. Mine required 12-volt 21-watt bulbs for the top 3 rows and a single 12-volt 5-watt bulb for the bottom light. Set your gasket in place, reconnect your wires, reseat the bulb holders into your new assemblies, and reseat your new taillights. Tighten the top and bottom nuts. Replace your interior components, and test your new taillights. After that, you're all done. Enjoy your Volvo 240.